Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30035, and this is the Racers Off-Road Racer 2. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I'm doing one of these videos every day for the foreseeable future, and I've also done a bunch of these already. This is like number 171. So if you like these videos, there's a bunch out there already, and there's more on the way as well. And if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also I've included a link to Brickset if you just want information about this particular set. Now, I can tell you right now, this doesn't look like a super complicated set, but the other thing is, like, sets don't necessarily have to be super complicated to be kind of fun. And so this is, I'm thinking this is kind of just going to be a little fun random car set. And probably there's not going to be a whole lot to it, but I like the tires. Like, look at these tires. These are big tires. I feel like you could almost repurpose these for some kind of, like, machinery. Like a big bulldozer or something. Alright. So it looks like what we're doing is they're going for the thing to be a little bit, like, the front to be a little bit down, and it's just kind of an interesting look to it. There's that, and that, and then we got these two here and here, and this one, and that 2x2. And alright, goes there. And this is going to be our little bumper looking thing. So next got all that. You know, this kind of built up. This is building up more than I was expecting it to. It looked like it was much simpler than it is now that we get down to actually doing it. Well, it's kind of cool so far. I'm liking this one. This is not a bad set at all. Pop these on. Got my glove. Pop these on. And so we're going to have a slightly, so black on the front, gray on the back. Like so. And then this goes back there. And then we pop the wheels on. Huh. Alright. This was kind of one of those short and sweet builds, but that's kind of cool. This is much more interesting than I was expecting it to be. It's like a more serious little car. Let's see. Yeah. This is a pretty serious little car. Anyway. That's kind of cool. Alright, that's a better build than I was expecting. There's a piece of my hair stuck to it, it looks like. Alright. Anyway. What do y'all think? Interesting? I don't know. I mean, like, I am more impressed with this than I was expecting. On the surface, it looked like it's going to be a super simple and small car. And as it stands out, it's not bad. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions or questions, you can let me know down in the comments. Oops. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.